August man are the biggest waste of time. Biggest waste of time. You see with you there with the August man and that man don't love you like he should, dog nyam your relationship. Because that man got always burn you. You see be careful how you take an August man. You see how you get him and so him gonna left you. August man will watch you, beat you, keep you, clamp you down and burn. Somebody asked if I rain or fall, I'm an AC. I'm an AC. Member one fan share for the entire house for your family. Where you talk about hard life. Where you talk about if I rain or fall. And if I rain even or fall, I bless my blessing. Should I lay down in your bed and relax, but your sheet them dirty. Eh? What you mean by if I rain or fall? I want you to how many of them people who want my class them in the day? Me not want petty joke, you know. You gifted me today, thank you. Lady, move from your song going to tell a lie, Palmer. Me give you. Me give you. You see my name, Keith Ramsey? Me give you. Now come for my program, come tell me a lie. But me give you today. You see me run class and scream? Now come big me up. Don't big me up. Me not ask you no big up. Me not gonna lick you. No big me up, no friend me up. Right. Thank you, you discover. Thank you, you come from my program, but you gifted me today. And you come and use all proper English, past tense, gifted. Then you got proper school, my love. Nothing wrong with that. At least your mama money and showing in your head. My mother money not showing in my head, you know. My mother money and showing in my nature. Yeah. It's hard when you send your picnic to school and all the picnic can come out of school with that 2 subjects. Man and body. It's rough. If I could have just ever read, life would have better for me a little bit today. Yeah. But the reading give me a warm time. The reading beat me and beat me come. Sometimes I can't bother with the only for reading, you know. Yeah, because I feel say English is witchcraft. Yeah. I feel, no Sharon, I feel say English is witchcraft. Yeah. So I just read what I think. Miss Russell, what you do with my mama name? I want you for my mother they on the live and watch me. Come in and trust her, you know. And maths too. The girl, them what you can do maths with them crutches do because them see with them man and them calculate how to take him. And they did get him, so the total was correct. One thing me know, the girl them out here no downs. Them good per maths. For sure, them good per maths. Good old Shebada girl, you don't know nothing about because my old said man got prison. You don't know nothing about my love. The boy come to me as a Christian and leave as a criminal. But wait, September, the Jaden birthday party. I'm gonna start big the cabana money, Lord Jesus. At the cabana money, I beg, you know. I want to beg it closer to the time, though. I want to beg the cabana money closer to the time. And I want to come out in a fine style for people money. Yeah, man, I want to look at. Yeah. I want to look at. No, for sure. So I want to buy my outfit for years to people. I want something brandy. A long time I don't wear brand. Yeah. So you know about that don't have the money. You see by August 31st, 30 days of August, June and July. Oh, it got again from the book back. I got from the book back again. You see me scratch my arm and I take out my shirt this morning and the whole underneath my arm yellow. Like underneath my arm of jaundice. Whole underneath my arm yellow. Like jaundice underneath my arm. But them not say sweetness dear jaundice and sweetness better jaundice. Me have to go rub some sugar on my shirt arm. I throw some syrup or honey. Me say me scratch my arm and the whole light come out yellow. Yellow. And I know me is not a yellow-tailed parrot. When my teeth feel on my arm, me I got a doctor, man, you gotta ask him what it is. I sit it in the sun. Discover you see me do all of them something here. 30 days of September, April, June, and 30 days of September, April, June, and November. All the other rest of the day, them just come up with them own idea. Yeah, except for February, because February no mix at all. February have a little bit of days because it wasn't too crazy. I don't remember the rest of it. Because it wasn't too greedy, so it took a little bit of days. February no mix. Yeah. And January no mix. January mix. January mix. Hey, me did it with one January boy and him love me, say. That boy they beat me. That boy they beat me with care. He did love me. I make him cry many times. Him born the 1st of January. October people they mix up, but them no mix. October people them are blamers. October people they mix up. Them mix, you see. You can't buy nothing from October people. You can't better your trust it. You can't buy nothing from October people. Nobody talk about September people because if it not go on for them, it not happen for you. Them don't want to hear it, my love. Them not have no interest, my love. Them don't want to hear it. If it not happen for them, they don't want to hear it. Yeah. April people are stuck in their own way. I can't believe April people, they're too aggressive for me. April people too aggressive. Somebody say April are the best month. February the best. February people orange like dog. February people orange like dog and them a freak. Oh, February people freaky. Them just want to see you take off your clothes. Them do anything in a pornography. Oh. For true, February people orange. February people have a different side of nature and them not holy. Yeah. February people orange, you know. And hey, in the ramp with that February smadina, them will tell you a lie, you know. Them will tell you whole heap of lie. Whole heap of lie. Yeah. Them will tell you whole heap of lie and them moody. Them moody for true. Them will tell you whole heap of lie, man. They will tell you whole heap of lie, but them lie are meaningful. Well, for me, me not tell petty lies. You understand me? Me not tell petty lies. More than me just can't bother with you. I tell you anything come on my head and sometimes I can't bother put up with you too long, you know. Oh, I can't bother put up with you too long. But when the nature lick my man, yeah, she's a dancehall queen for her life, gonna explode like dynamite. We eat something different. Yeah, we eat something different. November people too secretive and love man like dog. November people love man like dog and go like them a virgin and them decent. Especially the girl them. November girl them love man like dog and them are wicked. Enough of them are wicked. Enough of them are wicked. Them love man and them never do nothing yet and play decent in a crowd. And them know them little pokey leave our address with them no member. For true. For true. Yeah, I guess all of the month them stay the same, yeah, man. I can't bother with no month. The almanac is a wicked. The almanac turn with so. Yeah. No, man. You have some November girl, man. Them wicked. Them wicked. Before them tell you say you look good, them try for outdo you. November people build some competition, them head them forgot turn football player. Them forgot turn football player. No, for sure. You have some, let me tell you the woman them in some month were wicked. You see some woman we born November, some woman we born December, you see March woman, you see March woman and May girl. Hey, you see March woman and May girl. June have a mixed crowd, me I tell you. You see June people, they quick to hate it and like you. You have to be more than June people for them really take on to you. You have to be more than them. Never you make nobody we born June feel like them more than Jesus have mercy. Yeah. No, you think a joke? Somebody say August are the best month. August man them want shot with shit. Me not advise nobody for do with no August man. Me not advise nobody. Whether them a 1 or 1,000. Don't do with no August man. You see August man, may I tell you, August man are one of the biggest something on the clock. One of the biggest something. Who can tell me the biggest something on the clock? Who can tell me the biggest something on the clock? Somebody said 12. Somebody said, oh, August man are the biggest waste of time. Biggest waste of time. You see, with you there with the August man and that man don't love you like he should, dog, nyam your relationship. Because that man I got always burn you. You see, be careful how you take an August man. You see how you get him and so him I go left you. August man will watch you, beat you, keep you, clamp you down and burn out your nastiness. Burn out your nastiness. Yeah. And they mean, they watch every dollar. They mean. They mean. Me man a idiot for girl. Me man a idiot for girl still, you know. If you never book the right me man. Them toxic though, you know, but them a idiot for girl. March man only can love one girl at a time. And whoever them love, them not leave the girl left for nobody. Nobody. No care what them do, them not leave the girl the March man. If you find a March man will love you, them itch up on you. July man them stay so too, you know. You know all the people say July man them lie for true, you know, but here one. They will ride it out with you, you know. You know say July man will ride it out with you. Yeah man, July man, they will ride it out with you. You know, say December man them kinda nice. December man them kinda nice, but most of them lazy. Most December man lazy. Most of them lazy. I know say December woman them not lazy. December woman them only careless with them crutches. Yeah. You know, say December woman them not lazy, them only careless with them crutches. Now September man them lazy. September man them lazy. And if you ever see them at work, the job have to be easy. The job gots to be easy. September man them lazy. September man them not nice. Them a pretender. Them not nice. September man them a pretender. You can't stay there. September man will pretend for your nastiness. You stay there. What channel you know easy? But September man them nice bad. Make them ever find something else. And them know that tell you does lie. And can't remember the lie where them tell you. July woman, you see July woman them go on like them domineering. July woman them go on like them domineering. Let me tell you something, July woman them want to rule everything. Everything them want to rule and them need to stop it. Them need a clap on them finger. Yeah. July woman, to me July woman are one of the biggest turn off. For true. For true. They can be so nice if them push themselves aside little. For true. They can be so nice if them just push yourself aside little. Come on. It's not about you every time. It's not about you. Me a woman them take girl man like dog. Me a woman them a take Keisha, them take girl man like dog. Me a woman them a take Keisha. Yeah. Me a woman them a take Isha. No matter what, them will take them friend man, them mother man, them father man, them uncle, them I don't know the man them will share out in the family. Yeah. Anyhow you give, let me tell you something. You see, if you give a May and a March girl a chance, hey, them hook out the entire village. You see them 2 month there, and something worth for watch. You see May and March, May and March. You see May and March, You see me man and March woman. You see me woman and March man. Boy, me not in like them fit in one movie for themselves. Me not and them lie. Jesus have mercy. Them lie. No, come here. Don't tell me something wrong. You know, say most times why some of uno not see the trueness of uno is because uno not get the go ahead. You see, oftentimes we tell ourselves, say, I am not like that. The older you get, sometimes in a life you find out, say, yeah, make some teenagers mistake. So don't tell me, say, I lie. Sometimes if you're not dropping on the right crowd, you know, see who you be. Let me tell you that. Oh, the cutest thing, I forgot one itty-tighty out. It's true. It's true. Sometimes if you ever get the leap hole, buttercup, if you ever get the leap hole, you're gone about your business. You think I lie? You ever listen to some people hold some simple conversation and the amount of lies with them tell all them beliefs they are true, them forgot to repent after the conversation. You never know. Me say if somebody come right here so no one say February people, them a dog. Me can't put up my hand and say, girl, you're right, at the grace of God, at the grace of God, at the grace of Almighty God. You think a joke? Hey, me have a cousin we born March, you know. And she teach me about war in life, you know. And she teach me about war in life, you know. I have a cousin we born March. She not have a reason for hook, you know. Me say when me see her, me say I gotta be better than you in that field. You never know. It's true. Me not tell no lie. And you see Marchman, okay. Marchman, okay. You have a whole heap of me man we lazy. You have a whole heap of me man we lazy and they would tell you a bag of lie. Yeah. You ever find all three me man yet will like toxic relationship? Them like toxic relationship. Them love it. Me man love toxic relationship and March woman. Yeah. If February man, let me tell you something about February man. You say February man love you. Jesus, you have to understand somebody we born February. We annoy the hello to you know. We annoy the hello to you. It's like we in our own world and we dry in there. We annoy the hello to you. Let me tell you with a February person. Them only make you know what them want make you know about them because you see, very rare I found a February individual we never discover most of themselves. You see a February individual, they let you know a character. So you see character where you know, you see 5 years after, you meet somebody who meet that same February individual, a two different person not talk about him. A two different persons do not talk about. You never know. And one thing you see, if you find a February person with an nincompoop, especially an Aquarian. Yeah, let me say Aquarian. With a nincompoop, and them want to be nincompoop. Me I tell you. And one thing I know about February people, Aquarians. You see Aquarians? It don't make no sense to tell them say them big friend. Them are them own friend, them living at them own mind. And they are very moody. And them can show them not show you so they're moody, you know. Them can be so moody without you even knowing. If you find an Aquarian that really cares for you, trust me, the world is not enough. And them can bore the pain where you have inflict on them. It's true. It's true. So when you see a February individual will just behave like a dog, like an ass. No, son. No, it's true. It's true. That is why when Shay talks, say me a big friend for man, no, never big friend. That is why when everybody has say, look how she be and she. Me know this long time, this did come long time. We always ahead. We are not no surprise when we go quiet we're most deadly. When we go quiet we're most deadly. For true, it basically have an Aquarian as your friend and your enemy. For real. It basically have an Aquarian as your friend and your enemy. I told you, I will not depend on the life I talk about. I will usually them used to cuss about. Shebada no want to tell shit. Me know this will come. My timing and phone timing are two different timing. Me not jump when girl squeal. Me not jump when girl squeal. So when 10 people are say Shebada can't tame. Number one, me not put myself in a position to be tamed. I never do that yet. I am not to be domesticated. You never know. No, for true. That's why I tell people this every day. I can be extremely nice and don't make me reach a part where I say I'm going to give you what you give me. It's going to be dangerous because then now I'm going to show you your reflection and it's going to affect you. And it's not going to bother me.